Alright, we want to do another intro video of the 2019 Polaris General 4 1000. Let's do a quick walk around. Has the Dirt Commander tires, 27-inch. That was pretty cool. They have the rank insignia in there. It's got the Fox 2.0 Podium QS3 shocks with independent suspension, front and rear. We've had installed on it a street legal kit. Here in Utah, you're able to get street legal, so we've got that. Got the Rifab fold down glass front windshield, so it can fold down here and lay on top. And also you can vent out the bottom for when you have it up. Provides a nice little airflow. It's got the seismic side mirrors. Got the center mirror. We noticed last night on the ride that for this, when we have our son in the front, he can't see out very well, and the center mirror doesn't really do much, so we'll probably end up doing away with that. Just for now. Seems to be a good mirror, but just doesn't really do much for us at this point. It's got 12.5 inches of ground clearance, which is pretty good. A little less than the Razor, but not too bad. The shocks in the rear there. What's nice about the General, it also has a little utility to it with the dump bed. So you can dump it back. A little tailgate. Put it down. Got the lock and ride rear windshield or window. What's nice about the General, it does have 1,500 pound towing capacity. It's got the hitch there. It's got 13 inches of travel in the back, 12 inches of travel in the front. Full doors, which is nice feature. It's got the half doors anyway, but already don't have to put anything for the bottom. Let's go here and start it up. Cabin's really roomy on the General. And the instrument cluster is nice. If I'm not mistaken, they've added the gauges and things from the General for this year onto the Razor lineup. So at this point we've got 13, almost 14 miles on it. Couldn't keep the kids out of it. This morning, I'd end up having to run off to a soccer game, and the kids wanted to go so bad that the wife jumped in it. And they went out on a ride and enjoyed it quite a bit. I've been wanting to get this video done before too long, before we get too many miles on it. It's a good intro to it. We've got the different high beam, low beam for the lights, turf mode, 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. Toggle switch for the winch, and then lots of other space for many other accessories. Let's see what we may do down the road. Glove box. Store some of your papers and things in. It's like nice wallets in there. Got the grab bars in the front, unlike on the Razor, there's a little grab bar on the side instead of right in the front. charging and things in there. With the street legal kit, we've got the turn signal and horn right on the side. Would be some A-arm guards or some underbody protection. Be researching into some different products for that. Maybe adding those on and posting on that in the future. It does have the winch in the front bumper as well, 4,500-pound winch. So it's kind of where we're at right now. The kids are excited to go. I told them I have to wait to get into the dirt, a little bit into the dirt, dusty tires. But before we went on a big ride tonight, I told them I had to do this video, so I'm glad that they're excited, ready to go, and spend a lot of time in our new General. So look forward to doing more videos here in the future.